Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a Google Sheet and thought, wow, this could really use a facelift, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some easy but seriously effective ways to make your Google Sheets look cleaner, more professional, and a whole lot easier to read. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take even the most basic-looking spreadsheet and turn it into something that looks polished and organized, and you'll be surprised at how much of a difference just a few tweaks can make. Let's dive right in. So the first thing we're going to do is add alternate colors to your data. This is sometimes called zebra stripping, and it's one of my favorite quick upgrades. Alternate colors help your eyes track across rows much more easily. Think of it like lines on a ruled notebook compared to a blank page. To do this, go ahead and select the range of cells you want to format. If you want to apply it to the whole sheet, just click the little box in the corner to select everything. Then head up to the Format menu and choose Alternating Colors. You'll get a side panel where you can pick from some preset color themes, or if you want to get really custom, you can pick your own. Choose something that isn't too bold. Light grays or gentle blues usually work great. Once you hit done, you'll see how much easier it is to follow the data, even at a glance. If you're working with a really long sheet, this makes a world of difference. Next up, we're going to add borders to our data. Borders are fantastic because they help define the individual cells or groupings in your sheet. It's a bit like drawing boundaries on a sports field. You can suddenly see where everything begins and ends. To add borders, select the cells, a row, or an area you want to highlight, then look for the little border icon in your toolbar. It looks like a square with 4 solid borders. Click that and you'll have options for outlining, inner borders, or both. Play around here depending on whether you want every cell boxed in, or maybe just borders highlighting header rows or key totals. If you ever feel like your sheet looks a little too busy, try removing a few borders and see if that brings clarity. Sometimes less is more. Now let's add filters. Filters can make your data not just look better, but work better. Think of filters like a pair of sunglasses for your sheet. They help you focus only on what you want to see, blocking out everything else. To add filters, select the headers of your data and then click the funnel icon in your toolbar. That's the filter button. Now you can sort or filter every column with just a couple of clicks. You can look at all items from a single category or quickly find the data you need without scrolling endlessly. This subtle touch transforms a static grid into an interactive dashboard. Of course, there are a ton of other ways you can give Google Sheets your personal touch. You can tweak font sizes and colors, adjust column widths, freeze the top row so you always see your headers, or even insert sparklines and simple charts right into your sheet. Don't be afraid to experiment here. The goal is to make your data both useful and delightful to look at. And there you have it. With just a few thoughtful changes like alternating colors, borders, and filters, you can transform a plain old Google Sheet into something that's clear, organized, and even a little bit beautiful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other tricks for sprucing up sheets. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.